Welcome students. I'm Mario, author of this course, your teacher, and also author of many books about Godot game engine and GDScript. In this video education tutorial, you will learn about game math through some game project using Godot game engine. With the Godot game engine and GDScript, we will create through some project. In this game project, you will learn how to create game scene, as you see here, and to add many game elements. We will start with simple game elements like some images, tails, buttons, and then we will start coding towards turn-based game. You will learn how to create movement in turn-based game, how to create some kind of simple animation. You will also learn how to programming through GDScript with simple and complex coding game math. In the middle part of the course, you will learn how to create complete game elements. You will learn to create micro menus for some different parts in the game. You will learn how to pick some items in a game, to increase, decrease values, and you will learn many things about coding with Python-like script named GDScript. After that, when you learn how to code micro buttons, some user created windows, when you learn how to create user windows, you will like this one, you will learn some complex coding with GDScript, and this will be game math including solving some situation where you hundreds of lines change for a few lines of code. And on the end of this course, you will know how to create game like this one. This will be your turn-based game. I hope you will enjoy this course in more than 30 lectures, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day, and see you through this course. Goodbye.